Signals are still available. Signals and mentorship is still available. Interdealer in the building. Bastunzo Grand. I'm good, my man. Why are you on your phone while driving? I'm just multitasking quick. Just so I can greet you guys. Aware. Melusin Mzuli. Hola. This car that's coming behind me, I know it. Jump. I'm surrounded by stands today on the highway. I'm surrounded by stands. Try saying my surname. Otobembe. Dr. Martin, hola. I have the car. Brazo 2K, 25K when I start respecting you. Thank you, my man. For an hour, behind me it stands only. Kamali, hola. Killer stance, Nolan. Stance I'm getting it soon, yeah. Stance is too nice. Stance is the new in thing, man. Air suspension will look good on the Audi. Yeah, I've been thinking about air suspension. Maybe I might get it. I even spoke to Thomas Gam already. Thomas Gama says I should come through. So I have been thinking about the suspension. Do you guys want to see the stance proper? Let me show you. Let me open the door fast. Get a stance for me. Office is closed at... No, the offices are not closed at 205. The offices are not closed. Your Audi is perfect. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Audi is different. It's different. That's alright. Why are you racing them now, boy? You know, I'm not racing them. I just wanted to pass them. I met with Dragon. To complete my list, I need to meet you. We're gonna meet. Where are you from? Maybe we'll meet soon. We're going to Kanya's place now. It's his birthday tomorrow, so we're going to check up on him.